Hey guys, what's up? It's the Impeccable Investor here, and I wanted to go over a video that shows you how to make a living from day trading options. Now, there's a lot of things that you can do with day trading options. It's very risky, it's very high leverage, but if you follow the 3 simple strategies that I'm about to show you in this video, you can consistently make profit day trading options. So I'm going to show you exactly how that's done. Well, first, let's go over the most liquid stocks there are for options, because you need to be able to get in and out of stocks. So your first one is going to be SPY, which is going to be the S&P 500 ETF. So we're looking at SPY for a lot of the trading system. But you also have other stocks to look for, which are the FANG stocks, FAANG, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. What does this mean for you? Well, it means as a day trader of options, you only have to watch 5 stocks each day. That is so amazing, right? You don't have to scan for stocks hoping that you're going to find the next winner for today. All you have to do is look at these same stocks over and over using the systems I'm about to show you. So the first approach to make money day trading options is going to be our technical analysis approach, which is where you use the price action of the charts to show you where it's going. So for instance, I'm going to link a video up here to the 10% continuation rule or play. So as you can see here on Facebook, this was a 10% continuation play, which means you chart the bottom of this move and you chart the high of this move or high pre-market. And this is our trading range. We have the assumption based on the 10% continuation rule that when this stock closes in the bottom 10% of its trading range, we know that once it breaks below the support, we're going to see that nice fall down. And that's exactly what we saw here on Facebook. So it gave us that 10% continuation play to make an easy 50% on contracts. Guys, I don't think you understand how much 50% is. If you invest $1,000, you make $500 in a single day. Guys, that is the amazing world of options, how much leverage you have. And guys, by entering here, your risk is here, which means that if it went back up, we would have had our risk cut at the highs of the day, which was right here. So this shows how well you can manage risk using a technical analysis approach. Now, outside of the technical analysis approach, we have 2 other approaches we need to look at. Oh my gosh. Let's see if we can get back to it here. We have 2 different approaches we are going to look at. The first one is going to be the VWAP approach. So VWAP is volume weighted moving average price. So you just go into any platform you're using, whether that's tradingview.com, which is a browser-based system for free, or your brokerage like this system right here, the Thinkorswim platform. You can see here that it has VWAP, which is the middle line. You don't really need the upper or lowers, and we're going to look at that right now. So if you can see here, VWAP is this line that shows you where we are trading. So it's like a moving average, which takes the average of the last few prices, but it shows a lot more than that. So what I wanted to show you on that was one of our other stocks that we like to trade, which is Apple, AAPL. Well, you can see here that when you use different price actions in conjunction together, it works well. So as you can see, this price here in the morning is hugging VWAP, which means it's going up, back, and down around a VWAP, which is forming what our technical patterns know as a triangle pattern. Then when it breaks, when it starts holding below VWAP, we know that it's bullish. The same thing happened here when we came up and when we kept getting rejected here at VWAP. We knew that it was going to the downside, and that's what we saw here. Now, VWAP also acts as support. As you can see here, it comes down to find support, resistance, support. This is another way to easily define support and resistance. Also, another stock, remember, our FANG stocks. It works just really well on this. Here's a great example of it right here. You can see here how when it's holding below VWAP, it tends to go down. And then we have this push above VWAP, however you want to say it, for a continuation play, and then it came down and bounced and went higher. These are amazing ways to catch simple, easy 10 to 20% plays in a day, playing the bounce and rejections of VWAP. Now, getting on to one of my favorite ones, this is a day trading and swing trading approach where you don't really have to do any of the work. It's called the TTM trades. I'm going to get rid of VWAP now that we're going on to TTM trades. We're going to show the alerts here, and we're going to get into it. So, as you can assume here, red means it's a bearish trend. It's going down. Blue means that it's a bullish trend, it's going up. So as you can see here, you can use this on a day trading platform. You see that it's red, you enter puts, which make money on the way down, and when it turns blue, you make money on the way up. Well, when you use this in conjunction with support and resistance, it can work very well. But one of the ways that this works the best is going out to a longer term time frame, like a 30-minute time frame, or maybe even longer if you want. However, what I also like to do on this is 15 minutes because it shows long-term trends. So where we're going to see that incredibly well is SPY, which is one of the stocks that you watch out for when day trading options. Remember, always watch SPY and FANG. Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. So as you can see here, we can see that it turns blue, and we would have had this nice run up right to here. And on SPY options, especially on weekly options, you can easily get a 75% gain. That means if you invest $100, you make $75 back over 2 days, right? And then you can also see here it turns red, you stay invested until here. This is a nice easy $120 profit on using same day expirations. So guys, if you want to learn more about options, I have this huge thing that's coming out to help you as an investor and or day trader, whoever you are. So make sure you hit that link below and go to my Instagram and follow me, where I share everything in my stories, my live stuff that I'm buying in the stock market, and whatever else. I have a huge release coming up in the end of December, and I want to make sure that you get alerted to it. So click below to get to sign up for the newsletter, where you'll get weekly stuff, and also Instagram. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. These are your top 3 tips with the top 5 stocks you need to watch as an options day trader. You can honestly make a living at this. I know people who do, and I did well for a while. You can go back through my old videos if you want to see well. I just decided that I want to pick more of an investing route. All right, guys, thank you so much. See you in the next video.